Hi. Good morning, everyone! So, welcome po sa ating special topic dito sa Virtual Nutrition Club. Welcome din natin yung mga guests, yung mga regular attendee at saka yung mga nanonood dyan sa ating FB Live. Yan. Good morning, everyone! My name is Joy Aison. Yan. Ako, ginamit ko ang product in so many ways. Okay. So, una, for weight loss. Ginamit ko siya weight loss, no, from 80 kilos down to 60 kilos. Ginamit ko rin siya for my prenatal nutrition. Ginamit ko din siya for my recovery. And now I'm using Herbalife Nutrition for my healthy aging. Ang goal ko is when I reach 60 years old, dapat wala akong mini-maintain na any medications. Ang product na favorite ko ay Aloe Tea Shake, PPP, Active Fiber, Simply Probiotic, yan. So meron tayong Mineral Herbal Complex, Immulip, yan, at saka yung mga tablets natin, no? So, ang sarap-sarap ng pakiramdam right now. I'm done with my breakfast. So, napaka-light lang yung feeling. Tapos, ang gaan, ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam. Every morning, may daily nutrition tayo. Okay, no? Ang background ko, I work in a manufacturing company. Ang hindi ko gusto sa work ko, sa dami ng trabaho, tapos delay yung sahod. So, ibig sabihin, hindi much yung effort, no? No, but with Herbalife, I found the solution, yung income potential, yung growth, holistic, all areas of life, emotional, financial, spiritual, yan. So, napakalaki ng growth dito sa ating community. So, napaka-supportive ng community natin. Yan. So, lagi kayo mag-stay tuned dito. This community helps us, share us, love us, accept us, support us, no? So, lahat na nandito. Kaya, sabi nga dun sa ating kanina 7 pillars, 'di ba? We need a community. Kaya always stick with this community. Yan. And I am so excited too doon sa pag-attend ng ating spectacular. So, mangyayari na siya next week. Next week. Tama, next week. Yan. Ngayon, doon sa yung sa first spectacular ko, nakita ko yung brighter future ni ko. Nakita ko din doon na I am taking the right products with a great leadership and with a great company. Kaya talaga, nung first training ko noon, nag-decide ko, Herbalife Nutritions will be our nutrition partner for life. Alright. Okay, next na. Topic na tayo, no? So, this article is from Susan Bowerman. So, yung ating Senior Director, Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. Okay, so ayan yung Formula 1. And to give you idea, ang Formula 1, ito yung ating delicious and nutrition shake. Ito yung unang product na na-formulate ni Herbalife. Kaya Formula 1. Now, pag-usapan natin what, how, and why Formula 1. Okay. No. So yung meeting our nutrition needs every day can sometimes difficult, no? So mahirap siya because of our busy works, di ba? Lagi tayong busy sa work, sa schools, and yung mga family commitment natin, yung mga household chores din natin yan. So busy tayo. And we are so lucky that we have a solution on our busy day. Ito yung Formula 1. So Formula 1 is a meal replacement shake that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein, no? So it is specifically formulated para ma-meet yung ating daily nutritions, no, of individual looking to manage their weights. Pag sinabing manage their weight, it can be lose weight, weight gain, or weight maintenance, or maintain a healthy lifestyle. And good news, we have 5 flavors to choose from. No? So meron siyang Dutch Choco, Wild Berry, Cookies and Cream, Dulce de Leche. Yan siya. So, but in other countries, there are so much more flavors, no? Kaya pag yung some distributor, kapag merong international training, nagbivisit talaga sa Herbalife office to try yung mga ibang flavor ng shake, no? So, bukod sa yung ating shake ay madali at masarap at madaling i-prepare, to give you an idea, around the world, millions of Formula 1 shake are consumed every day. Kaya, di ba? So, napaka-blessed natin. On our busy day, meron tayong solution na complete and balanced meal that is our Formula 1. Okay. Next. Sabi dyan, how can we trust Formula 1? Meron pa bang nagdududa? When it comes to the credibility, di ba, ito yung ating Formula 1, it was produced or developed by nutritionists and food scientists. No? We have 300 plus doctors and scientists formulated ng ating Formula 1 and the other products of Herbalife. No? So, ang goal nun is to help people improve their well-being through responsible weight management. Okay? So, Herbalife is a global nutrition company. So, kailangan pa bang i-ano yan? Kaya nga tayo naging number 1 when it comes to nutrition, and we are also awarded in the Philippines. So, when it comes naman dun sa mga award natin, we have 174 awards received from 2015 up to 2024. No? And meron din tayong mga series of tests na ginagawa simula sa pagtanim, 'di ba, pag-harvest, pag-manufacture hanggang pagdating dun sa bahay natin or sa mga table natin, 'di ba? Yung we have yung the seed to feed. Yan. So, when it comes to trust, hindi mo na siya talaga kasi Herbalife nag-ooperate na siya for 45 years, 31 dito sa Pilipinas, tapos operating in 95 countries. Kaya naman Herbalife done so much certifications and accreditations, di ba? Kaya grabe talaga ang Herbalife, grabe itong ating formula product natin. So hindi and ito pa hindi siya ginawa sa backyard ha. Ayan, okay, next. So, why Formula 1? Bakit nga ba? Bukod sa it's for everyone, bata, matanda, may sakit, or nagme-maintenance ka man, o wala, athlete ka, active ka. So, Herbalife Formula 1 is for everyone because it's a nutrition. Okay? And second, nakakategorize siya as a low glycemic index. Okay. Lahat ng pagkain, meron siyang nare-range siya ng glycemic index, no? Merong pagkain na pag pumasok sa katawan mo, mabilis ma-convert into sugar or may katamtaman, may mabilis, may pabagal. So, yung mabilis, ito yung nagre-range na 70 and up, like yung white rice, white pasta, white bread, diba? Pag low glycemic index naman, 55 or less. And we are, diba, ang ating Formula 1 shake is nasa 15 to 20 glycemic index lang siya. Kahit matamis siya, it's very safe. Hindi siya nakakataas ng sugar level doon sa bloodstream natin kapag kinain natin. And, di ba? And ito yung exciting. You can customize, di ba? So, paano? So, next. Yan. So, you can add, instead of water, sa pag-prepare ng shake natin, instead of water, you can add milk. Diba? So, para mas creamy, mas masarap siya, milk, pwede soya milk, non-fat milk, low-fat milk, almond milk. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang i-add doon sa shake natin. Yan. So, pwede mo din siyang gawin na smoothie, pwede mo din siyang gawing crunchy, or pwede mo din siyang gawing warm na shake. Yan. So, pwede. Ang ganda. Ang daming mo pwede pagpilian. And, next is, you can add more protein, like yung ating personalized protein powder, di ba? Yung protein powder, ina-add natin sa shake. If you are a busy person, madami kang agenda during the day at gusto mo hindi ka madaling magutom, yan, we can add protein powder or personalized protein powder. So again, para saan yon? Additional protein. Para saan ang protein? Helps you to feel full longer. And then helps you to burn fats, helps to build lean muscles, o di ba? Yan, so maganda siya. And pwede mo din lagyan siya. Pwede mo siyang laruin talaga. You can add fruits and vegetables. Kung ano yung mga paborito mong prutas na pwede mong i-add sa shake or vegetable like carrot, celery, pipino, yung mga ganyan siya. So pag meron mga ganun, mas lalo nagiging malapot yung shake tapos mas matagal kang magutom. So napaka-exciting yung shake natin, no? And you can also add fiber. Many of us hindi nami-meet yung fiber need natin every day. So pwede mong tawag dito, sa shake natin, ihalo. Yan, so pwede ka mag-add ng mga, meron tayong active fiber, di ba? Para ma-i-add dun sa atin. Alam nyo, ang sarap ng active fiber at saka dulce de leche. Tapos may PPP. Ang sarap. Favorite ko yan. And so, pwede ka din maglagay ng mga nuts, yung mga seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, yung mga ganyan siya, di ba? Yung mga rolled oats, yan. Pwede ka din, then yung mga granola, yung mga ganyan. So, pwede mo siyang i-add sa shake. And ito pa yung exciting. Pwede mo siyang, yung shake can be a main ingredients of yung mga popsicle, di ba? Yung mga recipe ni Susan Bowerman. Pwede rin siya yung premium shake, yung blueberry cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, yan, favorite ko din yan. Pwede din siyang overnight oats, pwedeng pudding, pwedeng waffle, pwedeng pancake, and ito yung exciting, pwede din siyang gawin, main ingredients niya yung shake is yung ice cream. Diba? Ang saya-saya. So, mai-enjoy talaga natin yung shake. Hindi lang yung basta hinalo mo lang sa water and that's it. So, pwede mo siyang laruin. Depende sa Ang importante, healthy pa din yung mga tinitake natin every day. At saka napakadali niyang gawin. When it comes to the recipes na mga binanggit ko kanina, you can ask your coach, no? Yeah. So, sabi nga nila, ang daily routine daw natin is very complicated. But with our Herbalife Shake Formula 1, hindi. So, may enjoy talaga natin. Ang maganda pa, ang ating Formula 1 can be taken morning, pwedeng lunch, pwedeng snack, pwedeng dinner. So, pag na-addict ka na sa shake, so any time of the day, you can have yung ating amazing and powerful, great Formula 1. Yeah. So, with that, so meron pa, next yan. So, ang ating is, we are number 1 in active and lifestyle nutrition and number 1 in weight management and well-being. Okay? So, next, I think I'm done. So, thank you so much. I hope meron kayong nakuha from me. So, enjoy the day. Thank you. Back to you, Sistine.
Yes, grabe. Meron talagang natutunan. Thank you so much, Coach Joy. Ayan, wait lang Ma-stop ko na ba yung recording? Wait lang, guys. Ayun. So, kamusta po kayo, guys? Sandali Ayun, stop natin. Wow,